Here I have iPhone 11. Let me show you how to enter the field mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's use the phone's dialer and let's use the following secret code: *3001 pound 12345 pound asterisk, and let's use the call button. As you can see, this is the main menu of field mode. Here you can use some developer stuff, some advanced information. You can choose here device info and read, for example, the SIM files. You can also go back, and here you can use the LTE information and other stuff as well. So that's it. If you would like to go back, you can use the following back button and you can simply start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.